I just saw the International Space Station fly over Melbourne with my naked eye. Second time. Actually, third time. This is my second verified. It's right into the beach. Because they said, well, that was at 10:51. They said at 11:36. The next one's passing. So I'm heading there now. I'm going to go try and take some footage. Because I will tell you what, there's no way in the world, I'm huffing and puffing, that it was going 17,000 miles an hour. 25,000 kilometers per hour for Australians. Yeah, across the road. Train tracks. And I'm almost there. I live 700 metres from the beach in Melbourne. And I'll tell you what, I go every second day, if not every day, to view the water, the horizon, and see how far I can see on any given day. And there are days I can only see like a kilometre or two in front of me. Hazy, misty, salt particles in the air, condensation, whatever. There are other days I can see the Yang Mountains from Chelsea in Melbourne, the beach in Melbourne in Victoria. The Yangs are like 100 kilometres away. Do the curvature math. Go look up, do the math. I can see Mount Macedon, 100 kilometres away. You shouldn't see it. People talk about refraction. Refraction is only an optical illusion. Let's talk about real physical properties like water. Wow. You gotta see what I'm saying. This phone is not the best at all. But that, if you can see that, well, that light's just a couple of street lights that are less than 200 meters away. But those lights in over yonder, probably just saw a flicker. They're 8 kilometers, 10 kilometers away. By the way, moon's out. Beautiful stars, beautiful night tonight. Looking back out to the pub over there, my target destination, right there. So it's cool, I get some fitness, I get out for a ride. Yeah, I'm going to the pub, but whatever. Just being picky. Okay, so we'll look out for it because it's about that time. That's Frankston looking that way. And again, that's 10 Ks. So to the city, if you go from there, which is the furthest tip of that point, it's like Mount Martha it's called. You've got Mornington and then past that point, Mount Martha. And you can see the city from Mount Martha and it's 35 kilometers away of flat, level water. Couple of ships leaving Melbourne at the moment. Again, I'm not sure if you're going to see them, but you'll see them just out there somewhere, if I'm pointing this correctly. And I better keep an eye out in the sky for our little friend that I came here for. Where are ya? So it's 11:30 in Melbourne, Wednesday, I think the 19th it is today of December 2018. There's the moon, if you want to verify moon in your position for this time. So, where are we? It's bloody beautiful out here tonight, I've got to say that. I want to get someone to do some tests with me. So we've got Frankston over there. We've got all these key areas. And if we got reflectors and placed them along, we could verify whether we're getting refraction or whether we're getting level water. You need multiple positions because refraction, although there are some that have come up with refractive formulas and they call it a standard, is absolutely not standard. And you can actually prove that by trying to measure refraction in a glass of cold water, hot water, salt water, sugar water. It all makes a big difference, so it can't be a standard. I'm no scientist. I don't have a white coat. I'm going to buy one. Put flat earth on the back and walk the streets. We should all do that. We're the white coats. Not yellow vests. Okay, I'm being a bit silly now. So I'm looking now. It should be coming across the same direction that it did because it can't change orbit that much in 90 minutes because you'd be throwing your passengers all over the place inside, regardless that everyone says that we're at a constant. It's a constant on a straight line. When you're talking about orbital velocity, it's a different thing. Go straight down the road. You won't feel it. Take a corner. Throw a ball up while you're taking a corner. See what happens. All right. Throw it high. Get a car that's got a 14-foot, 20-foot ceiling and do it. Why are you just measuring it from, oh, I can throw it this high and my ceiling is 2 foot above me? The boundaries, that's as far as you can go anyway. Come on, man. I don't care if it's a ball, it's flat, a banana. It's quite funny, living on a banana. Good joke, God. Good joke, Big Bang. Just want proof, man. Been doing this for 4.5, close to 5 years, I'd say, actually. When I first heard of it, I laughed, like everyone did. So I ignored it for at least 8 months. I've learnt a lot since then. Things are accepted for granted. Whoa, I've spotted it. It's way over there, guys. I'm not going to get this, but it's in the sky, right literally where I'm pointing my camera, and it's slow as a MF. It's not going 17,500 miles away. I can see it with my naked eye, and it's not 250 miles away or 400 kilometers. Again, I can do the numbers, reverse engineer them if you want to. You do it. There's no way that thing I'm watching right now is going 17,500 miles an hour. In fact, it'd probably go about the speed of a plane. And I know that everyone's going to bring up angular velocity and angular momentum and, you know, the perspective, angular perspective. I get it. I get it. People used to ask me, what's perspective? Well, you can't really answer that. Talking about inner perspective, our mind, or outward perspective, our eyes. So totally different things. And she's just gone through some low line, or not low line, but cloud cover. Crazy. And if someone walking here is going to think I'm crazy now. Hey buddy, Have you heard of the International Space Station? The International Space Station, you know, that goes around the Earth with the astronauts in it? Yeah. It just went past, right, that's what I'm filming right now. My phone's not going to get it, but it went just behind the clouds there. It came an hour ago. Apparently it's going 17,500 miles, so 25,000 kilometers per hour. And it's 250 miles away, and I'm just getting some footage for some friends, you know? It's just crazy. Yeah. That's what I'm doing here. Yeah. I'm talking to this camera to show some friends, you know? Yeah. And it's, yeah. I saw it like an hour ago, 90 minutes ago, and I came here to film it. And I'm just thinking about the world, man. Like, look how far we can see, and the water's level, like, all around us, you know? Yeah. So there's people talking about if the Earth is flat or not. And I'm thinking about it, man, you know? Yeah. We all should. Have a good night, guys. Yeah. I'll upload this soon.